Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what I do when I don't really want to do my makeup, but I want to look somewhat touched up in a very short amount of time. I'm actually going to time myself. I have my phone right here set to 10 minutes. I'm pretty sure I do this makeup look in 10 minutes or less. So we're just going to start the timer and get started. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of this skin colored concealer, and I'm going to put this on some of my hyperpigmentation on my face. And I'm gonna use this lighter concealer. It's just a little lighter under my eyes. And then I'm gonna blend it out. And I'm just gonna take whatever is left on my forehead. Now I'm gonna blend out the eyes. And I'm just gonna take whatever is on it and just go around my face, especially on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin area. And then I'll go over my eyelids to even out the darkness. So now that I have my concealer on, I'm going to use my powder, lightly dust, or tap off the excess, and then lightly dust my under eye. And my forehead, pretty much my T-zone. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my contour color and I am gonna add some shape to my nose, not a lot, but a little something. Very lightly brushing this on. And now I'm going to get my brush, contour color, and put this on my face to add some dimension and color back. And so now I'm gonna go into this Milani bronzer or powder that I use as a bronzer. It's an Earth Glow. And it's very pigmented, but it adds a nice bronze. So I'm gonna use that. Then I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Strobe highlighter. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose. I don't know why, but I love a nose highlight. And I like to go over my whole face. I tap off the excess out of my cap, and whatever is remaining, I'll take my big brush and just tap over my whole face. Because my skin is oily and I just need to have something to lock in the oiliness. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara. I don't always do mascara, but I'm going to today. Optional, of course. I wonder how much time I have left. Eyebrows take the longest. The mascara definitely takes a minute for me to do. So mascara is done. And for my lips, you can apply lip gloss. I'm just gonna use a chapstick. And if you wanted to do a little extra, you could take some bronzer and apply it to your eyelids if you want to. Let's see how much time I have left. I have 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. So, I mean, yeah, this is what I would do. Sometimes if I do put mascara on, sometimes I'll put on a little bronzer on my lids. And I guess I have 2 whole minutes, so why not go ahead and do that? So I'm just gonna take my contour color and just brush that on my lid. I have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. I'm gonna touch up my nose a little bit. All right, you guys, so I'm done. I'm gonna pause this. It says 56 minutes left on the clock. And you guys saw that I actually got done around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I believe. Focus. Yeah, I honestly do a little less than what I did in this video, but that's what I do when I want to look somewhat put together, but I don't really want to put on makeup. So yes, I hope this video was helpful for you. This would be a great routine for some of you who go to school or want to do a little something in the morning when you go to work. Honestly, when I go to work, I sort of do a little more. And I actually have a video on what I do in the morning before I go to work. So if you want to check that out, I'll have it in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more. I will see you all next time. Thanks. Bye.